Welcome back to NotoriousCrafts. In this video, I will show you some of the miniatures and dollhouse furniture available at Michael's craft stores. Their miniature section is not very big, and it only takes up about half an aisle. Every Michael's store that I shop at always has so many miniatures sold out. As you can see, so much empty space. I've been to so many locations, and it's always about half full, which is why I end up sometimes shopping online since they have most of their miniatures available on their website. They do have a bit of a variety in their miniature accessories, and if they do not have something in store, that is when I will buy it online if I need something very fast for an upcoming project and cannot wait for them to restock it in stores. Most of their miniatures are 12th scale. I did notice that some of them are 6th scale, so if you need a particular size of a miniature, I always bring a ruler with me if I need a certain size for a project, and then I just measure it at the store with my ruler just to be sure it will fit perfectly, especially some of the furniture. But their furniture selection is very small, so I usually do not buy it from them too often. They also have some miniature garden accessories and little fairies that are perfect to make a little small garden either outside of your dollhouse or diorama. I do like a lot of their food accessories. They have a lot of great detail to them. Miniatures can get pretty pricey, especially if you are buying a lot of them, but one thing that is nice is that Michael's offers a lot of coupons, which is why I have their app, so I always check it before I go in the store, and I can get quite a bit of a discount on everything I buy. They usually have a coupon for 20% off regular priced items, which is great for miniatures because they usually do not go on sale. Their miniatures are made from a variety of different materials. Most of their food items are made from polymer clay, as you can see here. But I have never seen Michael's selling dollhouses or any kind of dollhouse kit. During the holidays, I have seen them sell a room box just for like a small individual room, but never a full entire dollhouse. It would be nice if they did sell some because the only place that I know where to buy those kits are at Hobby Lobby, and clearly they have a demand for miniatures since so many of their miniatures are sold out. And don't forget to check the bottom shelves. They are very easy to miss, but sometimes you might find something that you might actually need, like these look like diorama trays. And to the right of the miniatures, they have a large variety of animals, so these are great for some school projects or your dioramas. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like miniatures and dollhouses. I always like to share where I find all of my miniatures, and I also make a lot of them myself, so you don't want to miss out on those videos. As always, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.